Hello, good morning student. I am Pradeep sir with you. So today we will discuss about common factor, highest common factor and least common factor. So you see common factor is what, highest common factor is what and least common factor is what. Among these you see common factor, here also common factor, here also common factor. Okay. So first before starting this common factor, highest common factor, so what is common factor? First we will see with example. Okay. So see, suppose this is two numbers 12 and 24. So this is 12 and 24. Among between these two numbers, which one is common factor? So first we will find out the common factors. Okay. So factors of 12, 1 into 12, right? 2 into 6, 12, right? 3 into 4, 12. So these are the factors of 12. You see 12, 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12. So here 24. 1 into 24, 24, right? 2 into 12, 24, right? 3 8 is 24, right? And 4 6 is 24. So here common factor. So before common factor we have to find out the factors of the numbers. So here 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12. So these are the factors of 12 and 1 into 24, 24, 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 6, 24. So these are the factors of 24. So first we will write this one, factors of 12. Okay. First we write the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay. And factors of 24. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So here, these are the factors of 24. So now first we will find out what common factors. So factors already written, they are now common factors. This one common. So common factors, now we will find out, you see. So between these two, which one is common? 1. So you write down 1, and there is 2, and these 2 write down there, and there 3, and there 3. This one also, this one the common because these two factors, 3 and 3 is the common. This and there 4, and 4 is also there. So this is the common, and 6 is also there. 6 you see. 6 is common, and 12 and 12, this one also common. So common factors, this one is the common factors. So now, so these are the common factors. Okay. Now after this what? Highest common factor. Okay. So here you see highest. So in short, what you will write? HCF. No? Highest means highest common factor in short HCF. Why is okay? HCF. Okay. So here you see, here common, here also common, so here also common. So common is main thing is the highest common factor. So HCF, highest common factor. So among these all numbers, which one is the highest? This 12. So this 12 is the HCF. Okay, understood? I think you understood nicely. So now I will give more examples. So see, So write down this one first. Okay. Now another example. Suppose 36 and 50. Okay. So first you see 36. 1 into 36, 36. 2 into 18, what? 36. Okay. 3 into 12, what? 36. 4 into 9, 36. And last 6 into 6, 36. Okay. So same as usual we write. Here 48 is there, right? 48. 1 into 48, 48. 2 into 24, 48. 3 16 jar, 48. 4 12 jar, 48. 6 8 jar, 48. So these are the factors. Okay. So these things we'll write here again. So factors of 36. What? Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And you see, there are two same numbers, so you just write 1. Okay, from there. 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. So now 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Okay. So now from there, you see this 1 is common, so write down 1, and there 2 is common, write down 2. Okay. 3 is common, write down 3, and 4 is common, write down 4. 6 is common, write down 6, and now 12 is common, write down 12. So after that you see no other number common. Okay. So again, so if in your question suppose you can find the common factors, so that much you just do this much. Okay, just do this much, and afterward if common factor not only the highest common factor, that means HCF, then you have to do like that up to this much. Okay. So here this among these numbers, which is the highest number? 12. So this 12 is the HCF. Okay. If your question written find the HCF, then up to this much you have to do. Okay. So I think you understood. So now, okay. So now you see this question. Find the common factors each of the following numbers. So now I will write their numbers. So you have to find out the common factors following numbers. Full stop. Hence, find the HCF. So These all things we have done. Now I will show you one more example. Then afterward I will give you homework. You just do it this one. So question number 1 is A 20, 20, B is 24, 36, okay, and C is 22, 33, okay, and D is 15, 21. So from there I will just show you this part and this one and this one and this one. Do yourself, okay. So now, so 20, 1 into 20, 20, 2 into 10, 20, okay, and 4 into 5, 20, same as usual. So now 28, 1 into 20, 28, 2 into 14, 28, 4 into 7, 20. So these are the factors, okay. Now factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, okay. Now factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 20. Okay, now common factor is what? You tell me now. Very good. You see? Okay, so they are common factors. What? 1, and there 2, from there 4, okay. Now no other factors common. So first here you can find the common factors. So first to write common factors, then hence find the HCF. So HCF will be what? Tell me. HCF is 4. So okay. So this B, C, D you just do yourself. And one more question I write here. This is 22 and 1 32. Okay. So this find the common factors in each of the following, 2 times written is right. So find the common factors each of the following numbers. Okay. Now earlier I have only done this one 2 numbers common factors. So now I will show this one 3 numbers up to this one is up to E given number. Now question number F, you see 36, 45 and 72. So here 3 numbers. So you have to find out the common factors and also HCF. Okay. So 36 factors is what you see. Just number A, we have done this one. The 36 factors are what? 1 into 36, 2 into 18, okay, and more, and then 6 into 6, okay. Now 45, right? Quickly. 1 into 45, 3 15 ja 45, 5 9 ja 45, okay. Now 72. Same. Only here before was only 32 numbers given. Now there is 3 numbers. So just same as usual, just to find out these 3 numbers factor. Okay, this number 1 into 72. Okay, now 2 into 36. Okay, you don't know 36 tables. Okay, so you write like that 72. So you just divide it 2 how many times in 7? 2 how many times in 7? 3 times, right? 32 ja 6 and 7 minus 6 is what? 1. Now it is 12. So 12, 2 6 ja 12. So okay, so your this one is the factor. So 36. Okay, now 72. Now 324 ja 72. Okay, same 31 32 ja 6 1 12 34 ja 12. Okay, so this one also. Now 72 4 into 18 what? 4 into 18 72. Now 8 into 9 72. So these are the factors of 72. Okay, so same first to write down here factors of 36 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Factors of 45 1 3 5 9 15 45. Okay, factors of 72 1 2 3 4 8 9 18 24 36 and 72. So they have to find out the common factors. So first we write common factors. So here we see common factors 1. Okay, and then 3. Okay, and then 9 and more have or what? You see? No. More common factor is not there. So here common factors are 1 3 9. Okay, now hence what we can hence find the ACF. So ACF is what? HCF. You tell me. Oh yeah, thank you. So this is the 9 is the common factor. Okay, very good. Okay. So now I will give more question. Just do yourself. Suppose G, question number G is 60, 75, 80. This one do yourself homework. Okay. So write down this one. So now we see. So earlier only one you have done common factors by factorization method. Okay. So now using prime factorization, what we do using prime factorization, we have to find out the HCF. So prime numbers means what? A number which has only 2 factors. This is called prime number. You know this one. So like that numbers are. So prime number starting from what? From 2. So 2. Why 2 is prime? Because 2 has only 2 factors. See, I will show you. 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so 2 has only 2 factors. So that's why it is a prime number. So more, suppose 3. 3 1 ja 3. So 3 has only 2 factors. So this is number 3 itself and 1. So this is prime factor. Now 5. So 5 1 ja 5. So 5 is also what? 2 factors. So 5 is also a prime number. Now 7, you see 1 into 7. So 7 1 is 7. So 7 has only 2 factors. No other factor is there. So now 7, then 11. Okay. Then 13. Then 17. Then 19. See, they all have only 2 factors. Okay. So a number, if there is only 2 factors, then it is called what? Prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers. More numbers you have. So today this much fast to write. So these are the prime factors. So using these prime numbers, we have to find out the ACL. So see, question this one. So question number A, 30 and 42. Okay. So using prime factorization, we have to find out the ACL. So how to find out this one? You see, suppose this one is, so this way, so they are 30. So this 30 will write like that. Okay. So using prime factorization, here what it is? Prime factorization means we have to use the prime numbers to find out the factors. Okay. So there, which one is, you see there 2, and you know when a number is divisible by 2, if there once, if any number having their ones place, suppose 0, 2, 4, 8, 6, like that means even number. So then this one divisible by 2. So this one first will divide by 2. So 2. So 2 is prime number. You see, this is 2 is prime number. So using prime factorization, using the prime factors, we have to find out this ACL. Okay. So 2 how many times in 30? 2 15 ja 30. So next number we can't divide by 2 because this 15 is there one space is what, and 5 is an odd number. So odd number you can't divide by 2. So next number, which number? You see there 3. So we'll type 3 5 ja 15. So up and then you write 5 1 ja 5. Finish. Okay. So here only prime factorization, no need to write this. So now 42. So this one also you just divide by 2 because using prime factorization. So this one 2 how many times in 4? 2 times, and 2 how many times in 2? 1 times. Okay, now 21. And next this 21 can't divide by 2 because there was this 1. So now we'll find which one? This 3. We'll just 3 7 ja 21. Now see these 2, 3 and 7. These all are the what? Prime numbers. You see 2 have, 3 have, and there's 7 have. And there also 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. These are the what? Prime numbers. So that's why it is called prime factorization. Now we just write this 30. So 2. Okay, earlier we have just written like the factors of 30. Suppose 2 into 1 in 1 comma 15 and then 5 like this. You just given commas. Okay, now here 30. You just factors. You don't write like that. You just like that. You write 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So using prime factorization you have to write like that. Okay. 2 3 ja what? 6 and 6 5 ja 30. So here have 30. So here 42. 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. So now here in this case, which one is the common factors? Which are the common factors? So here also you have to find out the common factors. So here on these 2 and these 2 common, and there 3 and 3 is common. Okay. So these are the common factors. So earlier we have written highest common factor means highest number in common factor. Which one is highest? This one is ACF. Okay, now in this case, because here prime factorization method, so that's why here your ACF will be like that. Here your ACF will be multiple of this common factor. 2 into 3. Okay, so 3 to the 6. So here ACF is what? Multiple of the common factor. Because prime factorization, when you find out the ACF, then you first find out the common factors and multiples of the common factor is what? They are ACF. Okay. So now more example we'll see, then you will understood nicely. So now I will give more example. Now B 60 and 80. Okay. So 60 2 how many times in 6? 3 times 3 to the what? 6, and here 0 2 how many times 0? 0. Okay, 2 30 ja 60, and now this one 15. Okay, and again 3 5 ja 15. So these are the, you see, all are what? Prime numbers. Okay, so 2 2 3 5, these are the prime factors. So name same way, 2 40 ja 2 4 ja 8, and 0 how many times in 0? 0 times. 2 20 2 10 2 5. Here you see all are 2 numbers, right? Because these 2 divide this 40, these 2 also divide this 20, and these 2 also divide 10 and 5. Here all numbers are what? Prime numbers. Okay. Now same way you write 60. What will write? 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now here 80, 2 into 5. Okay. So they are common factors. Here 2 one time, right? And there 2 again, and then 5. Okay. So now we have to find out the ACF. So ACF will be multiples of the common factors. Okay. Two into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 5 ja 20. So ACF is the 20. Okay. And here, because this is prime factorization, you write down their prime. Okay. What you will write? Prime. Common prime factors. Okay. You just write down their common prime factors. Okay. I think you understood this one. Now this one, 2 numbers 16. Now I will show you more examples. Okay. So see this one. Okay. I will rub. Now question number C. Suppose 44 and 64. Okay, this one homework. D. Question number D. Suppose 52 and 117. Okay. So now D is what? Suppose 102 and 186. Okay. And move this one F. F is what? 42, 126 and 120. So this one also homework, this one also homework, just do by yourself, and these two I will show you now. Okay. So now question number E, you see what it is? 102 and 1 186. Okay, so first solution, in this solution you just write down 102. Same, you just divide, this one is divide by 2 5 are 10 and this. Okay, 2 5 are 10 and there 2 remain, 2 how many times into 1 times. Okay, now this one is divisible by what? First we say, because there is 1. So if there one space is 1, you can't divide this one by 2. Now we'll check this one is divided by 3 or 1. How will check? You just sum of these digits. You see there digit, how many digits are? 2 digits are there, 5 and 1. You just sum it. 5 plus 1 is 1. 6. So sum of the digit is multiple of 3. So 6 is multiple of what? 3. You see 3 to the 6. So this 6 is multiple of 3. That's why it is divisible by 3. So this 51 is divided by what? 3. So 3 how many times? In 5, 1 times, and remain what? 3, 4, 5, 2 remain. So now you just put these 2 before 1. So now it is 21. This 7 are 21. Okay. So now see this 17 also prime number. If your prime number came in last, then it finished. Okay. Now 17 also there, right? So now 186. 2 9 ja 18 and 2 3 ja what? 2 3 ja 6. So now this I will see, because there one space at 3, so you can't divide by 2 now. This is divisible by 3 or what? I will see 9 plus 3 is what? 12, and this 12 is divisible by what? Because 3 4 ja 12. So this is divisible by 3. So this 93 is divisible by 3, because 3 3 ja, you see 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Now this 31 have only 1 2 factors. So this also a prime number. So very easy this one. So 1 0 2, write like that, 2 into 3 into 17, and this 186, 2 into 3 into 31. So common which one? 2 2 and then 3 3. Okay, so here I said will be 2 into 3. Okay, now it is 6. So ACF is what? 6. Okay, now I'll show more one example. Okay, this one you write nicely. I think you understood clearly. So I will show you more example. Now question number F is 42, 126, 120. Okay. Now see 42. So 2 how many times? 2 how many times in 4? 2 times. Okay. Now this 2 how many times into 1 times? Okay. Now 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Now this one you see 2 how many times in 12? 6 times. 2 how many times in 6? 3 times. 2 3 ja 6. Okay. Now this one also divide. This one can't divide by 2 because their one place have odd number. So and we'll check this one is divisible by 3 or what? 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is multiple of 3. So that's why this is also divide. This one is 63 is divisible by 3. So we'll write here 3 how many times in 6? 2 times. And 3 how many times in 1? 1 times. So okay. So 3 7 ja 21, and this 7 is also prime number. Okay. So this one also finished. Now 120. So 2 how many times in 12? 6 times, and 2 how many times in 0? 0 times. Okay. And now 230 ja what? 60. Okay. 2 how many times in 60 and 2 how many times in 0? 0 times. So this one, so you know, we have done already. Okay. There you see all are the prime factors. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. And 126. 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now this one is 120. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So their common factors is what? Common prime factors. Okay. So here common 2, 2. You see earlier on only 2, now there is 3 numbers. So all these 3, which one is common? Just to write 2, 2, 2. There you write down 2, and then 3, 3, and 3. So you write down 3. Okay, and no other common factors. So here it will be 2 into 3. 6. So there is what? 6. Okay. So after this much, do you this one practice it more, okay, at home.